Do you know many people are having trouble with resetting their maintenance notice on a 2025 Toyota Tundra? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open menu. Navigate to the menu using the meter control switches on your steering wheel. Step 2. Choose Settings. Select Vehicle Settings by pressing the appropriate button. Step 3. Find Maintenance. Find and select Scheduled Maintenance in the list. Step 4. Confirm Reset. When prompted, confirm the reset by selecting Yes. Step 5. Finalize Reset. Press the Confirm button to complete the reset process. Now you should be able to reset the maintenance notice with ease. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Toyota users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.